All right, Super DJ Trey, Andre Light and Sound, San Diego Sound Installations. This is a church I did here in Fort Lauderdale, Calvary Presbyterian Church. As you see, I put the sound system, one speaker right there, JBL right there, and the top. And the next speaker right here. As you see, we got the big JBLs. And the other JBL is right up here. I just put that back up. And then you have these bad boys right here. And then you have the church. Nice looking church, isn't it? Put the surround sound right there. Two surround sound speakers here. One. Two. And then we got the other two on the other side coming right back here. One right down here. Two. Now I'm gonna show you what the soundboard sound system is. I'm putting a 4 mic choir system with 2 monitors back here. 2, 1, 2, and 2 more mics back there. 2 monitors on the floor. Then the sound equipment is right here. Putting 2 amps in, 1 amp for the surround sound, 1 amp for the JBLs, EQ, CD mixer, and then a nice Mackie board, 24 channels. And that's it. Calvary Presbyterian Church. Andre here, making noise and putting in sound systems. Peace.